Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the video. It's your guy here, the old coin doctor here, bringing latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as that will help boost up the channel. And if you don't mind, let us move into the video. And today we would be looking at Quant, and as you can see, we have dropped by 1 point on our ranking. Quant is currently priced at 43 with a market cap of $1.43 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $21.3 million. And as you can see, we're down 9.2% for the week. For the month, about down 1.9% even for the week, and up about 0.9% even for the day. And without further ado, let us move over to the chart. And as you can see, we are on the chart even for QNT versus the USD dollars. And as you can see, we have drawn all our support and resistance levels, right? To just give you a pictorial representation of what is happening on the chart. And as you can see, as a result of the hack that happened recently, we had this huge, right? Dump even to the downside, but as you can see, price has been recovering currently. But if you just look at the price chart even for QNT, you could see that we are in some sort of consolidation right here, right down even from March. We have been in some sort of consolidation in this box right here, even for QNT. And we probably have been expecting this kind of consolidation, because for QNT, every single time we see such long consolidation, right, we usually see a pull even to the upside. As you can see, the same thing happened here. So it pushed to the upside. The same thing happened here. We saw another push, as you can see right here, we saw another huge push even to the upside. So QNT loves to have some of these consolidations, right? And then we see a huge breakout even to the upside, as you can see right here. Another huge consolidation. And then we saw another huge breakout even to the upside. So this is something, right, we see very frequently on the price chart, even for Quant, that we see some sort of consolidation and then a break to the upside, some consolidation and then a break to the upside, another consolidation and then another break to the upside. So currently, right, we could still continue this consolidation and see another huge break to the upside. And I'll be telling you more reasons why I believe that we are in accumulation, and we probably could see another huge push even to the upside. As you can see, if we bring up some of our indicators, as you can see right down even for our oscillator, which we love to use so much, as you can see, we are trending downwards, right? So currently we are still trending downwards even on the oscillator, meaning we probably should expect a little more downward price action even for QNT in the medium to long term range. Same thing with the money flow, right? We love using the money flow because the money flow helps us to gauge what's happening behind the scenes, if more money is coming into QNT or if more money is leaving QNT. And as you can see, the red signifies money leaving QNT, and the green signifies money coming into QNT. And as you can see, we have some sort of a double top right there, even right on the money flow. And as you can see, we are pushing even to the downside, right? This chart makes it even more visually appealing, right? As you can see, this just shows us the channels by which, right, our QNT has been in the past few months. And as you can see, we have been in a very huge big range in the past few weeks or even days, even for QNT. So as you can see, we have been in this past few range, so we could still expect to see QNT, right, push down even to this 114 region, right, before we see another push even to the upside. So we could expect another little push to the downside, and then before we could see any push to the upside. And I'll be giving you more reasons why we should expect this kind of scenario, a push down even to the $114 level before we see another huge push even to the upside. If we bring up our indicators, as you can see, our oscillator is steadily moving even to the downside. Every single time we saw the oscillator at the downside, right, this was the best time to buy QNT, right? As you can see right down here, if you just had bought QNT right down when the oscillator was at the bottom, you would have been up about how many percent? Right, you would have been up just about 24%, as you can see, right? Exactly same thing with the RSI at the bottom. So as you can see, every single time we were at the bottom, so as you can see, we are still pushing over even to the bottom for the stochastic, and same thing with the RSI. As you can see, we are just having some sort of consolidation, but we probably could still see another push even to the downside, and that's why we are favoring a push to the downside even for QNT in the medium to long term. Also, if you look at this chart, right, this chart is just a chart for this is a chart that shows us the buy signal and the sell signal even for our quant. And as you can see, we call it the altcoin buy sell indicator, right? Because I made it and it shows us when price is bullish and when price is bearish. And as you can see right down from the lows, we were very, very bullish on QNT. And as you can see, price has been pushing up since then. And as you can see right down at the top of about 177, we flipped bearish and price has been pushing even to the downside right since then. We also flipped bullish right down here at the 107 region, as you can see right down on the 5th of February. And since then, we have pushed up about 53%. Currently, as you can see, we have been in this range. As you can see, like I said, right on the last, we have been in this range from the 134 down even to the 118. As you can see, price has been respecting these support boundaries, meaning that we probably should still be expecting to still see some huge range on the price of QNT in the medium to long term, right? Before we probably could see another push even to the upside, right? But if for any reason we break this support, then we could see our next buy target at the 104 region, as you can see right down here, right? If I push it right, as you can see, if we are able to break this support for QNT, then we probably could see price down here at the 105 region. So that's the analysis for QNT today, right? We are still in the range. We should still expect a range, as this is a typical accumulation, as you can see, like we said, that always happens for QNT every single time. As you can see right down here, every time we saw an accumulation, we saw a huge push to the upside accumulation, and we are expecting a push even to the upside. So that's the analysis. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a great day.